Welcome guys to the biggest enduro race in the Baltic state, the third stage in Pabrade.
So today waiting about 100 kilometers of orientation and 4 special stage, one stage about 5 kilometers. So let's go.
So we have 400 participants, 10 side by side, about 20 teams in the ATV, and we will have a lot of fun. Problems with disc brakes. Our brake doesn't work well, like you see, but we are glad that everything is okay. And our mechanics in a few minutes will do everything that we can go to the track.
They made one driving crash to the tree. After crash, I need our service bus. So this bus helped us reach the finish at Pabrade Enduro Rally. So we have finished at Enduro Rally Pabrade. At the first special stage I have one technical case, but we solved that problem. This Enduro Rally was very fast because no mud, only dust and jumps.
So today we had a really great but really difficult day. We had some problems, but we are glad that we have really great mechanics which helped us to solve all problems. We in the finish, CFMOTO in the finish, we on the top 5, so we are really glad about that. In our super stage we need more power, but we are working on that and hope next season we will be faster and faster, like all this year. So the next year, believe me, CFMOTO will be on the top.